Welcome to Strategic Armed Forces. The story of the Ukrainian army is not just a military story, it is a story of survival, transformation, and unbreakable will. Once considered a post-Soviet force with limited resources, Ukraine's military has reshaped itself under the pressure of war into one of the most battle-experienced armies in the modern world. Every soldier, every unit, and every strategy has been forged under real combat conditions, making Ukraine's army a symbol of resistance and adaptation in the 21st century. Ukraine's military transformation accelerated dramatically after 2014, when conflict reshaped its defense priorities overnight. Training standards changed, command structures modernized, and cooperation with Western allies intensified. The army shifted from outdated doctrine to flexible, NATO-inspired tactics focused on mobility, intelligence, and rapid response. This evolution turned Ukraine into a force capable of responding quickly to threats across land, air, and cyber domains. At the heart of Ukraine's strength lies its ground forces, hardened by years of continuous combat. Infantry brigades operate with a deep understanding of modern battlefield realities, combining trench warfare, urban combat, and rapid maneuver tactics. Ukrainian soldiers have become experts in defensive depth, using layered positions, camouflage, and terrain to slow and exhaust enemy advances, while striking back with precision and determination. Ukraine's armored forces play a critical role in both defense and counteroffensive operations. Tanks and armored vehicles are used not only for breakthroughs, but also as mobile fire support platforms. Constant adaptation has allowed crews to survive in drone-saturated environments, using concealment, rapid repositioning, and coordinated infantry support. This battlefield experience has rewritten traditional armored warfare principles. Artillery remains one of Ukraine's most decisive tools. Precision strikes, coordinated fire missions, and real-time intelligence integration have turned artillery units into surgical instruments of destruction. Western-supplied systems combined with domestic innovation allow Ukraine to strike high-value targets deep behind enemy lines, disrupting logistics, command centers, and morale. The Ukrainian Air Force operates under extreme pressure, facing one of the most challenging air environments in modern warfare. Despite limitations, Ukrainian pilots have adapted through low-altitude operations, rapid dispersal, and clever use of terrain. Air defense systems form a protective shield over key cities and infrastructure, intercepting missiles and drones while denying air superiority to adversaries. One of Ukraine's most revolutionary advantages is its mastery of drone warfare. From reconnaissance drones to loitering munitions, unmanned systems dominate the battlefield. Ukrainian units use drones to spot targets, adjust artillery fire, conduct surveillance, and launch precision attacks. This integration of technology with frontline units has redefined how modern wars are fought. Special forces units represent the sharp edge of Ukraine's military. Operating behind enemy lines, these elite soldiers conduct reconnaissance, sabotage, and precision raids. Their missions are often silent, dangerous, and decisive, trained for flexibility and independence. Ukraine's special units have become a key tool in disrupting enemy plans and creating strategic uncertainty. Ukraine's military intelligence plays a crucial role in battlefield success. Intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and cyber operations work together to blind opponents while enhancing situational awareness. Information dominance allows Ukrainian commanders to anticipate movements, exploit weaknesses, and strike with precision rather than brute force. Logistics, often overlooked, has become a silent strength of the Ukrainian army. Sustaining millions of soldiers under constant attack requires innovation, coordination, and resilience. Supply routes adapt daily, repair units work near the front, and civilian-military cooperation ensures the continuous flow of equipment, food, and medical support. The human element is what truly defines Ukraine's army. Motivation, morale, and national identity fuel the fighting spirit of its soldiers. Many troops are volunteers, defending their homeland, families, and future. This emotional commitment transforms ordinary individuals into determined defenders capable of extraordinary endurance. Ukraine's military leadership has evolved under fire. Commanders emphasize initiative, decentralized decision-making, and adaptability. Junior officers are empowered to act independently, allowing rapid responses to changing battlefield conditions. This flexibility contrasts sharply with rigid command structures and gives Ukraine a dynamic operational advantage. International support has strengthened Ukraine's capabilities, but it is Ukraine's ability to integrate new systems quickly that stands out. Training programs, joint exercises, and battlefield feedback loops allow rapid learning and improvement. Weapons are not just received, they are mastered, modified, and optimized for local conditions. Urban warfare has become a defining feature of Ukraine's defense. Cities turn into fortresses, where small units use buildings, tunnels, and obstacles to neutralize larger forces. These battles test endurance and coordination, showcasing Ukraine's ability to hold ground under relentless pressure. Psychological warfare and information operations also shape Ukraine's strategy. Maintaining morale at home while countering disinformation abroad is a continuous battle. Ukraine's military understands that modern warfare is fought not only on the battlefield, but also in minds, media, and global perception. As the conflict continues, Ukraine's army looks toward the future with lessons written in blood and experience. Modernization plans focus on long-term sustainability, domestic defense production, and deeper integration with Western standards. The army of tomorrow will be faster, smarter, and more technologically advanced. Ukraine's army is no longer judged by size alone, but by resilience, adaptability, and real combat effectiveness. It has become a case study in modern defense, proving that determination, innovation, and unity can reshape a nation's military destiny. In the end, the Ukrainian army stands as a symbol of resistance in a changing world. If you enjoyed this detailed overview, please like, share, and subscribe to Strategic Armed Forces. Thank you for watching.